Right behind you, boss.
Oh god, no! No, 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 no! Fuck. Blah. These things are way fucking stronger. They hit me once. I lost fucking a third of my health, and I saw the skull, and I was like, "That's not what I thought that's supposed to be." Oh my god, that hurt. Oh, that fucking hurt. All right, guys, let's walk it again.
Sorry, my giggles come at your expense, but I need the giggles.
It's so concerning too, the fact that when like you fucking activate that, it's the cages are unlocking so loud.
Oh, is that what it did?
Yeah, so what happens is there's an event where like if you're into making your own like settlements, you can catch animals and release them in your settlement, and it makes like a super loud alarm because you're releasing them from the cage. Well, it does that for this every time you spawn an animal. So when it's 5 animals, it's 5 loud fucking air horns in my fucking ear, and they spawn fucking next to me.